Welcome back. You're watching Art Talk with me, Jujhar Singh. Durga Puja brings out the best of traditional and popular art here in Kolkata. Before the break, we showed you the art of making beautiful Durga Murtis. Now we're going to show you how they make excellent puja pandals where they place and worship those Murtis. Every pandal is based on a special chosen theme, and every pandal is competing with all the others to make a better pandal. We have reached Bozpukur Tal Bagan Pandal. It's absolutely fascinating over here. The man in charge is Jayanta. Good meeting you, Jayanta. The art director is Prashanto. Excellent job over here. The whole pandal is made out of plastic bottles and containers.
Yes, we made it with a plastic bottle only, and different kind of plastic bottle and other plastic material also.
Yeah. What's the message you're trying to convey over here?
So this is basically, instead of throwing out the plastic materials here and there, instead of throwing out, you should keep it in a sort of decorative way, your house and everything. So there should not be. So we are using this as a recycle. All plastic is.
The message in short is recycle your plastic.
Yeah, recycle is the plastic.
That's fascinating. I mean, you've got so many bottles all around over here. How many bottles were used in this whole process?
Approximately 1 lakh.
Okay, 1 lakh bottles. Okay, and where did you get all these bottles from?
From the different sources. Sources we got it.
So where have you sourced it from? From companies, kabadi walas, all of that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go a little bit further and examine this. Prashanto, perhaps you can tell us, I mean, what was behind your thought process when you made all this? I mean, you've made figures over here. I can see that even the arms and the cap and the head, everything is made out of different parts of the bottle.
ये जो देख रहे हैं आप बोतल, ये माने ये 500 का बोतल है, उसका ऊपर उसका जो 250 का बोतल है उसका काट के किया हुआ है. ये छोटा जो बोतल मिलता है उसको काट के किया हुआ है.
अच्छा. Well, it's absolutely fascinating because you've even made this overarching tree. This is a tree, right? ये पेड़ है यहाँ ऊपर.
पूरा बड़ा एक तो पेड़ है बीच में.
और ये भी बोतलों के साथ बना हुआ है. Okay, very interesting. And there are even smaller trees behind over there which are also made of bottles. Let's just walk a little bit further and examine. Of course, we can see that it's work in progress over here. Even the caps of bottles, I mean, what are these excess caps going to be used for, if anything?
ये इसका कैप भी यूज किया हुआ है. पीछे में इसको बोतल लगाने के लिए. इसका ऊपर बांस होता है जो बम्बू
नेट जैसे बना हुआ है.
बम्बू का स्टिक दिया, उसके बाद नेट, लोहा का जो नेट होता है.
तो नेट के ऊपर ये
उसके ऊपर बोतल घुसा के ऊपर से छिपी लगा.
Okay, so these are basically screws on top of over here. Okay, very interesting. Let's walk further over here. I can also see you use a lot of familiar brands, Kinley, Aquafina. Yeah, and what is this over here? Rasoi Vanaspati, also where you've sourced from a lot of different places, I can see.
Different places we have got it, and from different sources we got the material.
Yeah, very interesting. The workmen are still over here working on this, and what is this? I mean, these look like almost like Harpic. This is a Harpic bottle, I think, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the Harpic bottle.
Okay, absolutely fascinating. Where are these going to be placed? These birds?
On the pear only.
Okay, on the tree, naturally. Okay. How long has it taken to make all this? When did you begin the work? आपने काम कब शुरू किया?
आज से 5 months.
अच्छा.
5 months.
5 months से रोज चल रहा है काम. कितने आर्टिस्ट आप यूज कर रहे हैं? 50 artists. Okay. Jayanta, let me also ask you, what's the cost of putting up a pandal like this?
It's around 14 lakhs.
Okay, you got some sponsors?
Yeah, definitely.
You got some sponsors. Okay, let's move further down the pandal. Let's go towards the Pratima of Durga Ma and the other Murtis over here. Jayanta, when we look at the Murtis over here, it's clear that these are not made from bottles, but there seems to be a certain look which gives it that sort of bottle plastic-like feel, isn't it?
So you can see the dresses of the different goddesses. It's like a bucket, you know. If you see this bucket we have used, we also use this, what is called pot, right? So different, this is as good, I mean, we're trying to make it similarity with the pandal.
So what you're saying is that this is made of clay, like all murtis usually are made, but you've given it the look of a plastic, like as a plastic, baltis and containers are being used. Jayanta, what's very interesting is that you're coming up with a very important message over here, recycle your plastic. But I want to ask you, once the puja is over, how are you going to dispose of all this plastic?
So it will be distributed amongst all the members only. It will be, in our in drawing room or dining room or wherever it is.
Yeah, but you've used 1 lakh bottles and containers over here. How are you going to dispose of so many?
बोलने नहीं सकता. ये पूजा का बाद ये हम लोग एक तो क्या बोलता है फेयर होता है, जितना नीलाम होता है ना, ऑक्शन होता है, ऑक्शन होगा हर साल हम लोग का यहाँ का पूजा का ऑक्शन होता है, जिसका काम अच्छा होता है ये होता है, बाहर से बहुत आदमी आता है, अभी से बुक कर रहा है, पर ये पार्ट हमारा चाहिए, ये पार्ट हमको चाहिए, ऑलरेडी 80% बुक हो।
So basically you're confident you'll be able to dispose of all this material in a safe manner. Right, okay. I want to ask you, the pujas of course will last for 5 days, and after that Durga Ma's Murti will be immersed in the river Hooghly. It's a pity that, when so much creative effort has been put into making this pandal over so many months, it'll just all be over in 5 days.
Right, but we have to accept.
ये बात हम लोग जो शिल्पी लोग काम
आपको
करते
बुरा
हैं,
लगता है?
बुरा
लगेगा क्या?
जो विसर्जन हो रहा है इसके लिए बुरा नहीं लगता, ये तो नियम ही है, 5 दिन का पूजा का बाद हर चीज का शुरू होता है, अंत होना चाहिए, लेकिन हम लोग जो क्रिएशन
प्रॉब्लम है कि जो अंत हो रहा है वो बहुत जल्दी हो रहा है।
नहीं, हम लोग जो क्रिएशन कर रहा है ये इतना क्रिएशन, तो हमको लगता है हम जितना लोग काम कर रहा है इसका ठीक से फ्रीज अप नहीं हो रहा है, ये इतना हाई क्वालिटी का काम हो रहा है, इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है, इतना ये काम ये हमारा इंडिया में है, इसलिए इसका इतना बाहर में होने से ये काम को और भी पहचान मिलता है और भी मानी मिलता,
तभी तो हम आए हुए हैं आज यहाँ। Okay, let me ask you, but are there some ways of maximizing the benefit of pandals like this? Can they be retained, made into tourist spots, for some time at least, something like that? No, it won't be part of the tradition. It won't be in keeping with the tradition, is it?
It cannot be.
All right, okay. Well, this is absolutely brilliant. It's a wonderful creative effort, and thank you both very much for joining us here on our talk. Thank you. Okay. All right, we're going to move to a second pandal here in Kolkata. This is another very interesting pandal that we've selected. The theme is birds and freedom. We'll see you right now. Keep watching. We've now arrived at my favorite pandal in Kolkata. This is Tala Barovari in the northern part of the city, where the theme appears to be birds and nature. And the main men over here are Arindam and Basu. Nice to meet you, both of you. Okay, what's the specific theme over here? What's the idea behind this pandal?
It's a simple idea. Basically, we want to free all the bird as we are free in the universe. So we keep all the bird as a free bird, just like us. We are free, not in cage.
Are we free?
Definitely.
Are we free?
Not like that. Basically, we can do anything, whatever we can. But birds, they can't. Every time we put all the birds in cage, we feed them water and whatever they gain. But now you can see all birds there in cage, but no doors and all. They can come, they can sit, they can eat, drink anytime, whenever they want.
Okay, so the basic idea is that birds are free creatures and they should be allowed to be that way. Well, Basu, let me ask you, what are these birds made from? Because obviously I can see that there's no sort of bird elements like real feathers, anything like that involved over here.
Not that, because here we have shown the preservation of birds. So we can't use feather and all these things, the real things.
Obviously, yeah.
This is a Genji material, and you can see all with bamboo sticks and everything.
Okay, that's interesting. And what about this over here? What's this big dome-like structure here?
This is also a cage. Here we are showing that man are coming in the cage and birds are from the outside. They are laughing. Now you see, birds are feeling. You go to the cage and see what is the condition. Again, after that, you are coming to a free position.
Yeah, but also before you go further, I just want to ask you, Arindam, right over there on the roof, right at the top, I can see you've actually made bulbs. You've put bulbs over there. And the bulbs also have feathers, wings around them. That's an interesting idea.
It's significant with the lights. We are putting some lights on the wings. So it's like free bugs and all. Though they are also enjoying with us, that we are enjoying with this project and all. They are also supporting us and now lighted over there.
Right. And what about these wave-like figures over here? What's this?
This is a wave for water. We are putting two things. One in tank, that's for groundwater. This is for rainwater.
Oh, you're showing water harvesting.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Because it's water, air, and the earth. This is all ecosystem under ecosystem.
Right.
Just like we, birds, any creatures.
Right.
So it should be, what we can say, it's... we are maintaining ecosystem, not like we put in some birds.
And you made everything so beautifully. It's absolutely incredible.
We are trying.
And what's this over here? Basu, I mean, this looks like you made a sun like, it's a sun.
Yeah, we cannot think anything without sun.
Yeah.
So we have put here a symbolic.
All of nature rises because of the sun. Yeah.
So day starts with the sun.
Uh-huh.
So that's why you have put a replica of sun, and birds are flying away from starting of the sunrise.
Yeah. Arindam, we are approaching the altar of goddess Durga, and I see the roof over there appears to be made of real grain, is it?
Yeah, it's a little bit grains are there.
You're actually expecting real birds to come over here
Every morning.
and have some food.
Oh, definitely. If you come in morning, you can see lots of birds comes and they are having the grains. So it's a beautiful thing.
At the moment, though, I can't see a single bird over there.
No, because it's too late. It's a late evening. I think it's a time for
I hope you put enough grain over there.
Yeah, let's put.
It's already.
Every day we are putting.
Every day you're filling it up.
Yeah.
How many people are you expecting during Durga Puja to come and visit this pandal?
We are not any. We don't have any calculation, but we think it will break the records and all.
Right.
Previous records and everything.
What are your previous records?
Don't calculate in figure, but it was a big mob.
In tens of thousands.
Many heads and many heads.
Okay, let's go towards the altar now, and we see Goddess Durga over there, and there's in fact somebody still working on it over there. I think making the eyes.
Decorating the Durga total pratimas.
And I see you use some different kind of colors. You've got the asurs over there in green.
Yeah, basically we use greens and black for the negative order things, whatever that's. And that's why we put green for the Ashur, and the Pratima is a red and yellow. The red, yellow, white, this is for our festival colors.
Right.
And the green, black, basically we think as per Hindu mythology is a negative order.
Yeah.
So we are putting something, but it's always simple. There is no violence, nothing. You can see the eyes of Durga and as well as the Ashur also. It's a simple thing we are putting. It's a normal news.
How long has it taken to make this pandal?
It's more or less 2.5 months.
Okay, but you've done an incredible job in just 2.5 months.
Thanks.
Yeah. How many artists have been working here?
Total people, more than 100 people were working in this field to build up this beautiful thing.
Right.
And
Okay.
every day more than 16 hours. So it's a very tough job for them also. Still they are working.
Yeah.
And we think it will be done, it will be finished by tomorrow morning.
Right, okay. Well, this is really beautiful. It's highly creative and highly artistic. And as I said, it's my favorite pandal in Kolkata.
It's our pleasure.
Well, in the last half hour, we've seen some excellent traditional Durga Puja art in Kolkata. Thanks very much for watching our talk. We'll see you another time. Bye-bye.